Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. As y'all see in today's video, we are doing a drugstore makeup look. I got this beautiful soft glowy makeup look with all drugstore makeup products. Every product I'm using you can find at the drugstore. You can find at the beauty supply, Walmart, Target, Dollar Tree. Like, these products are reachable, affordable. You're not going to spend no more than $20 on each product, if that. I want to show you guys how I got this beautiful glowy makeup, and without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm gonna start with a little Vaseline on the lip. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. grip primer. This is one of my favorite primers. I'm an oily girl. This primer controls my oils so well. Primer kind of comes out like a bluish clear color. This primer is $12, if that, but you get a big tube, so you have a lot of product in this little tube it comes in. Now I'm going in with my True Match. This is in the color W6.5. Get a little bit on the back of my hand. And all these brushes I'm using are drugstore as well. Depending on what you define as drugstore, these brushes are by Morphe. You can get Morphe at Target, because Ulta's in Target, so I don't know if Morphe is considered like drugstore for some, but I will consider it drugstore because, like I said, you can get it at Target and it's so affordable. Now I'm going in with this Real Technique brush to blend everything out. This is my absolute favorite foundation. I feel like it's comparable to House Labs, the way that it's not like a super light coverage, but it's not a heavy coverage. It's buildable, and I feel like it does, like, it blends into your skin. House Labs, it's like the foundation blends with your skin tone in a way. I can't explain it, but this foundation does the exact same thing. Like, I feel like the color mixes well, I guess oxidizes well, to like really give you that nice coverage and that nice color that you're looking for. And I also like that it's not too orangey or too yellow. Like, it's the perfect neutral, because at least me personally, I feel like I have an olive undertone, and I don't want any foundations that's too yellow, like that have too much of a red warm undertone or too much of a yellow undertone. I like something that's olive, very neutral. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and I'm actually going to use this to contour. And I go right under my cheekbones to give me a nice lifted effect. And of course my forehead, y'all know, like, got a forehead on me, okay? So just going to grab those places, and I'm going to do a little bit of my nose. And I actually like blending my nose out with my finger so that it looks more seamless. I don't like a heavy nose contour. I feel like that gives like kind of like drag makeup, which, you know, nothing's wrong with the drag makeup, but that's not what we're going for. M242 brush, and I'm just gonna blend out that concealer. And that is so pretty. Like, this color is so pretty. I love, love, love using the L'Oreal Infallible as a contour because it's just the perfect coverage, and the colors are amazing. I don't like my contours to look muddy or super brown. I kind of like when they're on the more warmer side. And I feel like a lot of contour products, they have like a gray undertone. Like, that's not flattering. At least for my skin tone, that gray undertone is not flattering. So I like something that has more of a brown to it, and L'Oreal has the perfect coverage. And then I like taking the same brush and kind of lightly going over my jawline, just so I don't look too pale or ghosty. Now I'm just going to blend out a little bit of that nose contour. And as you'll see, I didn't do much for the nose contour just because, like, when I do my nose contour, I feel like less is more. I feel like if you do too much of a nose contour, it could kind of look contoury, and I don't like that. I like it to look natural. I think that looks really pretty, very natural, very glowy. Now we're going in with our e.l.f. camo. Ooh, if I could open it. Okay, so I finally got it open, but I'm going in with that e.l.f. camo primer, and I'm only using a little because y'all see that's like a very, very hot pink, and I like the pink, but I don't want to do too much, you know. I'm going in with my Morphe M164 brush to blend out that blush. Y'all, this is actually one of my favorite blushes at the moment, especially when I'm doing my client's makeup. Look how pigmented this blush is. Like, this is honestly too much for me right now. I'm gonna have to yeah, I'm gonna have to calm this pink down a little bit. This blush is super affordable. I believe it's like $7-8. It may be actually a little bit less, maybe like $6. But I love this blush. It's so pigmented. It blends out so beautifully, like effortlessly. It doesn't take much. I feel like I'm not sitting there for ages trying to blend out my blush. It blends really good with different products. Like, I've tried this with different foundations, different concealers, and this blush blends so well with other products. So I absolutely love it because not every product is gonna work well with other products. It's kind of like cooking, you know. Every ingredient doesn't go well with the other. Alright, so I'm going in with this NK multi-use concealer, and this is in the color 1. I've actually never used this before. Never used this before, but the coverage seems really good so far. I'm gonna use my finger just to blend that out a little bit more. The color doesn't look bad. The color actually looks really, really flattering right now. I'm gonna put a little bit of that concealer. It smells really good too. It smells like baby powder or something. It smells good. I'm gonna put that on my highlighted areas, and oh, and do the bridge of that nose too. I'm gonna take this same brush and I'm gonna blend out that under eye concealer. Now I'm going in with this brush that I used to contour, and I'm just going to touch up just a little bit around my forehead area as well, because like I said, the concealer can make it look a little ghostly depending on how much concealer you went in with, and I feel like this concealer I use, a little goes a long way. Like, this is actually amazing coverage. I actually love this concealer so far. Now we just have to do a wear test and see how it looks in the next couple hours, but so far I love this concealer actually. Now I'm going to take this brush by Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to pick up a little bit of that leftover product so the under eye isn't too cakey. Look how pretty this is coming out. I feel like a little filter. Like, I feel like a walking filter. This is coming out so beautiful. Taking this CoverGirl Invisible Loose Powder. Ooh. Taking this little triangle sponge. Y'all can find these at like Walgreens, Walmart. You can literally find these anywhere, but I'm just gonna set my face all over. And usually if I'm doing like a full coverage look, I would bake under my eye, but since we're doing like something just glowy and lightweight and just pretty, I don't want nothing that looks super, super heavy. So we're literally just sitting today. We're not baking. As if you did not know, baking creates more of a full coverage effect. So if you're not going for a full coverage, no bake. If you do want more full coverage, bake, girl, bake. I feel like makeup is like cooking. It's like the perfect analogy. Like, you got to start at the base. The base got to be good. It's kind of like gumbo. Your roux got to be good. Same thing with your face. Your moisturizer and your primer got to be good. So your skin has to be prepped good first before your makeup can even be good, BT. And it's the same thing with makeup gumbo. Like, that roux got to be good before anything else is going to be good. Look how pretty this is. This is so pretty. And y'all might not, I don't know. So pretty. I feel like it looks prettier in person, but next for brows, I'm going in with my NYX pencil, and this is in the shade, this is an espresso. All right, so I did my brows off camera just because like brows are super hard, so I had to really focus. And I also have on clusters, so if y'all want to see how I do my clusters, then I can get that video out to y'all as well. This is by Marie Claire. I got this at the beauty supply, so you can find this at your local beauty supply. But I'm gonna go in with this gray shade right here. And I'm gonna work that right into my crease. Oh, that's super pretty. This brush is by Wet n Wild too, guys, so I don't know what number it is because I wore out the brush. Like, I've been having this since high school, so the wording is not on there no more, but it's really like a crease brush for your crease. I'm gonna go in with this kind of purple shade right here. And this is a Wet n Wild brush as well. Super old, been having this since high school too. And I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner of my eye. Kind of like a V type of shape. So starting right here at the corner, going towards the center of my eye at an angle, then coming back to that corner and moving upwards towards that crease. And doing that back and forth. Then I'm going to take this light pink shade and I'm going to touch the corners of my eye just to brighten that up a little bit. To be honest, I'm not really that much of an eyeshadow girl. I usually just get a little bronzer and place it in the center, but every now and then I do like a soft little eyeshadow beat, and this is usually what I go with when I am doing a little bit of eyeshadow. But for the most part, not much of an eyeshadow girl. Now I'm going in with my Rimmel London eyeliner in the color black. And one thing I do love is a black eyeliner. Take my finger and actually blend out that under eye, that black under eye, for more of a smoky effect. Now I'm taking my Beauty Treats palette. I'm going with this shade right here, this kind of brown tan shade, and I'm going to use this to bring in a little bit of that warmth back to my face. Bronze it up a little bit. And this is just the prettiest bronze shade. Like, super gorgeous. For blush, I'm using Milani in the color 1. This is Dulce Pink. And this has kind of like a little shimmer to it. It's so pretty. Yeah, this is freaking beautiful. I'll put a little bit on that nose area. I like taking this Wet n Wild blush. I feel like it's like a blush slash illuminator, but oh, this is the Fergie collection. Y'all, I've been having this for a while too. It is the To Reflect Shimmer palette. So yeah, it's like a blush shimmer kind of palette. So pretty. I'm just gonna put that right over that blush. Oh, that is freaking gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I don't know, this video is giving me like 2016 makeup tutorial vibes. I don't know what it is about it. I'm feeling real Aaliyah face right now. Like, and that was my girl, y'all. Like, she still is my girl. I'm so happy for her. Oh my gosh, she got her man, her ring, her baby, her houses, her cars. Like, she got everything. And I know, like, life comes with other problems that we don't know about for people, but I've been watching her since high school. So just to see her life flourish is such a beautiful thing. Like, she's like my big sister. She don't even know it, okay? That's my big sis. She don't even know it, but she helped me with so much stuff throughout high school. Just watching her videos and having like a woman I can relate to, y'all. So now I'm going in with my lip liner by Beauty Creations. This is in the color Warm and Toasty. Right, now for lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline Teddy Stay lipstick in the color 90. They actually sent me a whole PR box of this lipstick. They sent me like 12 different shades. And this one was one of my favorites. Like, this was one of my favorite shades in the packaging. Then I'm going in with my favorite lip gloss by LA Colors in the color Baby Cakes. To add a little bit more pink to this look. Last but not least is the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. If you know, you know, guys. This stays on all day. Like, your makeup will not budge. This is like one of the best setting sprays on the market, and it's Drugstore. Ooh. Super pretty. Oh my gosh. This look is so gorgeous. So that is it for this makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that it was informative and y'all picked up some quick tips and tricks that could help y'all. Hope y'all found some products that y'all could add to y'all makeup kit. And if there's anything y'all recommend, let me know in the comment section below, because I'm always looking for new affordable makeup products, especially in this economy, okay? So that is it for this glowy drugstore makeup look. If there's anything else you guys want to see, let me know in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.